Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for PayPal step by step clearly. To register for PayPal, start by opening your web browser. Type in www.paypal.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the PayPal homepage loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose between a personal or business account. Select the account type that best suits your needs and click Next. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password, making sure it meets PayPal's security requirements. After entering your password, click Continue to proceed. Fill in your personal details as requested, including your name, address, and phone number. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid issues in the future. Once you have completed the form, click Continue again. You may be asked to verify your phone number through a code sent via SMS. Enter the code when prompted to verify your phone number. Read through PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy, and click on the checkbox to accept. After this, click on the Agree and Continue button to move forward. You may be prompted to add a bank account or credit card for added functionality. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your financial account, or you can skip this step for now. Finally, review your information and click Create Account to complete your registration. Congratulations! You have successfully registered for PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.